Hello, all my friends and my followers. Those who are subscribed my channel, very much thanks and very much welcome to all my subscribers. If you are new here, then please kindly share my videos and subscribe and press the bell icon. Today I'm visiting my hometown Zunheboto. I'm making some short video how the people of people is living in Zunheboto, and I upload more videos, upcoming more videos, so you can subscribe my channel. Then I show you very practical road, and it's very risky to drive. The road is a circumstance happening everywhere. This is Bushlo Hotel, one of the famous hotel in Zunheboto. This is Project Colony. Cho快点，莫了啊，coba anh Bushlo快点，Bushli. Itu hotel gimana solusinya? More than 20 years plus na? 32 years. Wow. Sweet hotel. Bushli Hotel, one of the famous hotel in Zunheboto. Get to the pala manu jabal get or ifale bora gari okay this is cornerstone. The start building of Zunheboto still is open and the fleet 1864.9 m above sea level, located at 2601 in 94.52 degree. Construction commenced studies 7/5/2007, and construction completed. It takes 10 years. That is 31/3/2017. Dedication on 22/4/2017. Dimension is length 203 feet, breadth 153 feet, height 166 feet. And this I can read all this, so you can see all these are the names are the in charge and these are the members. And behind this church, we are it's a beautiful view, beautiful place. Okay, please come. If you guys want to see me, then this is me. Saike, Naga. I am simple guy. I don't wear much expensive clothes. I just wear a jean jacket and shirt. DC residence. Every views and every thing is beautiful, but since their road condition is very poor here, everything looks beautiful. Only the road problem. If the little girl filling up water, and it will take 30-40 minutes to fill this bucket. All this bucket is empty. I have a 多里，那是谁干？呀，不是他是干嘛？什么干？哇！Akap Kozmo. Akap Kozmo. There's lots of these leaves in this area. Yetiye. In Semon language, we call this Yetiye. Which is a Yetiye. And this is small basket. Water, organic running water. And I'm going to eat these leaves. Ito kawala sila. Very beautiful. And I'm going to cross this river. This water is not deep. People.
Peki klava.
Oh, leki kaba zanyo eh.
Ngaka.
Dia kai kau tak.